house. Literally, in my house, you know, he makes a mess, then he cleans it all up. Then he makes a mess, then he cleans it all up. We are making a huge mess today. We're ripping up the kitchen. So I bought a new house. Well, it's not new, it's like 30 some years old. So it's got some stuff that needs to be done to it. And I know, you're like, the kitchen looks like it's new, it's white. They completely messed this kitchen up. Right, Francisco?
Right.
How much did they mess up this kitchen?
A lot.
A lot.
It's electrical, countertops.
They put the stove in where you can't open any cabinets. They didn't put in a plug for a microwave. They pretty much wrecked it. So luckily, I've had Francisco here since the day I moved in, which has been now like
3 weeks.
3 weeks. He makes a huge mess, cleans it all up. We are now at stage 3 of ripping out my entire kitchen. The demo is today. I now officially don't have a sink or water in the kitchen. My stove and oven, which you know I use frequently, is right there. If you have been thinking about remodeling, Renovation Inc is going to be the one who's coming in with cabinetry and the countertops. But I could not do this without Francisco. He has literally rewired the whole house. He has gotten the plaster redone. He's hung all my TVs.
2 doors.
Added lights, added fans. See, look, we put in these cute little lights. He added fans. What else have we done? He's hung the TV. He's hung my closet doors. I got new closet doors. Put in a doggy door.
Put in a doggy door.
Lord knows we need a doggy door for 4 dogs. He has been nonstop at work. I'm sure there's more that I'm not thinking of. And the next step is to, again, demo all this. Also, I'm completely redoing my closets. So we've got Francisco working on that. We're redoing my daughter's closet, ripping that out, reorganizing, reshaping. He can take down walls, add closets. Yeah, oh, he put in my new sliders. He also put in a new French door. He hung my new chandeliers. I'm looking at getting new windows for the house. He's got me a couple recommendations for that. He got my plaster guy outside to re-plaster the walls outside. So when you call Francisco, you don't just get him. You also, by the way, can have his brother, who sometimes comes and helps too. Something small that you're wanting to do in your house, or bigger, he can do it. If you're needing some serious renovation and need actual materials, Renovation Inc, we're gonna show you what we're doing. I'm also ripping out my bathroom. So step 1, kitchen. Step 2 is my bathroom. So you'll get to see both. And the cool thing about Renovation Inc is my daughter is actually an interior designer there. Okay, I posted his phone number, and renovationinc.com is located at Shea in the 51. So if you're looking to redo your house, they literally have everything. This is my song. It's also my house.
There you go.
Open up